everyone, Monica Fernandes with Evolution Essentials. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ylang Ylang essential oil benefits. You may think, I've never heard of Ylang Ylang. Is that really how you pronounce it? I have no idea if that's how you pronounce it. That's how I pronounce Ylang Ylang.
Ylang Ylang. Lang Lang.
Anyway, welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you're not new, welcome back. So let's get started. What is Ylang Ylang? It is a flower. Its Latin name is Cananga odorata, and I don't know if that's how you say it. That's how you say. Odorata has odor in it, so I would suspect it's called that because of its incredible perfume. Ylang Ylang flowers are star-shaped. They're from a tree, and the Ylang Ylang that I have for you, this one right here, I'm going to show you. Ylang Ylang, okay? It comes from Madagascar. You know where Madagascar is? It's an island in the Indian Ocean. It's part of Africa. So that's where Ylang Ylang comes from. It naturally grows there. And one thing I found in my research is that it takes 2 pounds of flowers to make this bottle, 15 milliliters. So that's about 250 applications. I know, this is mind-boggling. Can you imagine 2 pounds of flowers? That's just crazy. So I actually did a video on floral essential oils, the top benefits and uses for your health and home, right there, that you can watch in a bit. And how do you use Ylang Ylang essential oil? I use it for my skin, and I use it as perfume. Those are the two main things that I use it for. It has an incredible history because Ylang Ylang flowers have been throughout time been used in religious and wedding ceremonies. They're just so perfumed, and Ylang Ylang has been used in aromatherapy because the smell creates a soothing, positive, and relaxed environment. So for your emotions, Ylang Ylang is really wonderful. And for your health in general, for your physical health, it offers antioxidant support. It can also support healthy immune function when taken internally, which I don't recommend you do because I don't advocate for that, because most of the oils out there are not safe for consumption. So you want to make sure that, number one, there's a supplemental box in here, which this one has, and that there's a third-party testing report on exactly is on this bottle. And you can check that out in www.sourcetoyou.com. So www.sourcetoyou.com. That gives you plug in the number down here, and it gives you exactly that third-party independent chemical report, so you know exactly that it's a pure, safe oil for consumption. But other than that, don't consume it internally ever. Essential oils, don't even think about it. Got it? If you are going to be sticking around, please subscribe right here in the red button. I really would appreciate if you click that plus the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video every week. So what's Ylang Ylang good for? So apart from perfume and apart from skin properties, you can really do things with Ylang Ylang. So you can add it to some salt, and you can do a salt bath. You can also make a sugar scrub with it. You can also use Ylang Ylang with steaming water. So you know how in the old days, and not so old days, because I do that with, sometimes peppermint and everything if I have some head tension. But with Ylang Ylang, you can do like a face steam with Ylang Ylang, because Ylang Ylang is so good for your skin. So you really can exfoliate your skin, open up all your pores, doing like sort of a steam facial, adding Ylang Ylang. What else? Ylang Ylang, I told you it's awesome for perfume, right? So it's not just for perfume like this, okay? You could do this, right? 1 drop, and it goes here, and it goes here, right? You can also put a couple of drops on your hand. Do this and do this. So it's on your hair. It's also great because you know that any essential oil that's good for the skin is going to be good for the health of your hair, right? Because that's part of your scalp and everything else. And it just smells incredible. It's just amazing. I love it. It's one of my favorites of all time. So let's get back into Ylang Ylang. You can combine Ylang Ylang with other oils to create your own fragrance, your personal fragrance. You can try Ylang Ylang with different flowers. For example, jasmine or neroli or magnolia. You can really combine it and create your own perfume. So it'll be really, really luxurious because it's just this. It's very intoxicating. Did I mention Ylang Ylang is an aphrodisiac? Yeah, it is. So you want to use it as perfume. So one recipe that I have for you is like a personal aroma one. And I actually took this from the doTERRA website, and it's 10 drops Whisper, which is a blend that doTERRA has, 10 drops Citrus Bliss, 10 drops lemon, and 5 drops Ylang Ylang. You can add a tablespoon of witch hazel, which is a natural astringent, and a 1/4 cup water. And you can combine all of this in a small glass spray bottle. You want to make sure you shake this very well, and you've got your perfume. And if you want to extend the shelf life, you can keep this in the refrigerator if you'd like. Now remember, if you have any citruses in your fragrance, which this one has, you want to keep away from the sun for at least 12 hours because citrus oils are photosensitive, so you want to do that. I actually did a video on how to make your own makeup setting spray. It's a non-toxic recipe, and you can see it right there. And I use Ylang Ylang as an ingredient of one of 2 recipes to make your own DIY setting spray. Super non-toxic, super simple, and it's so affordable and safe to make. I think that's about it for Ylang Ylang. I want you to tell me in the comments how you're going to use Ylang Ylang. And if you've ordered Ylang Ylang, if you've bought Ylang Ylang, what you thought of it. Some people love it. If you like floral oils, you're going to love Ylang Ylang. If you don't like floral scent, you're not going to like it. But I love Ylang Ylang. I love actually most floral scents, most floral, not synthetic, but natural essential oil scents, aromas. So Ylang Ylang is just really, really wonderful. And I hope you got major value from this video. And what I wanted to tell you is, please download my free gift to you. It's in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.